pass from level 2 regular A, NIM PO 530-320-119-135. I will explain the material regarding the concept of family planning and reproductive environment. The concept of family planning and reproduksi descent orders. Definition of KB. Family planning is an effort to regulate the birth of children, the ideal distances and augative birth, regulates pregnancies through promotion, protection, and assistance, and in others with reproductive rights to create a quality family. The family planning program is a step or business activity complete by family planning organization and is a government program to easy fees for furnished people based on health laws and regulations. KB goal tujuan. Number 1, regulation disrate prognosis. Number 2, maintaining health on dressing in maternal involved in children maturity. Number 3, improve access and quality information, education, counseling, and service of family planning and reproductive. Number 4, health increasing participation of men in family practice. Number 5, promising pleasing feeding and efforts to pace the pregnancies. Family planning benefits. According to WHO 2018, the benefits of family planning are as follows. Number 1, preventing pregnancies related health. Number 2, reducing EMR. Number 3, helps prevent human immunodeficiency virus, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome atau AIDS. Number 4, empowering communities and improving education. Number 5, reducing teen pregnancies. Number 6, slowing population growth. Factor using contraceptive devices. According to the research conducted by Mouzizi et al., the determinant of contraceptive use are the education, having children, conduction, prenatal care in easy delivery, and the intercession to stop or delay the next birth. Family planning program target. According to Handayani, the family planning program targets are divided into two, namely direct targets and indirect targets. The direct targets is evaluates and to this in the breed rate by means of sustainably use of contraception. EVA is a married couple which are between 15 and 48 years old meanwhile. The indirect target are family planning implanters and manager with in aim in reducing their live birth rate through introducing population prescribes in order to have quality and profession families. Disorders of the human reproductive system. Number 1, disorders of the family reproductive system. Disorders of the family reproductive system can include vaginal distortion, menstrual disorders, uterine cancer, cysts, polyps, and others. One on the types on of disorders that are more common in the community is vaginal. This general understanding of vaginal disorder is family genital disease atau vaginal, where there is yellow, white grain in weight, discharge, add weather in steak, meadows, bed, and can cause raising. Disease of ephemeral predation and nursing can be caused by germs, namely hosts, bacteria, virus, and parasites. Below is brief explanation of its undergrating factors or causing of latent dares. Number 1. Fungus. General caused by the fungus Candida albicans which cause easing around the vulva atau vagina. Number B. Bacteria. Usually caused by generally bacteria, and the vaginal discharging is called bacterial vaginismus with the concentration speed of watery disease, one of legates raging white color with skin. C. Virus. Vaginal discharging caused by virus is usually congenital from HIV/AIDS, condylarthropoma, herpes, and others that can trigger the manifestation of uterine cancer. Number D. Parasite. Leukozer host to parasite and caused by the infection. Parasite transmission vaginals from sexual contact, sex with, and thick yellow granulate with expression and underform. Next, A. Menstrual disorders. Menstrual disorders consist in primary amenorrhea and secondary amenorrhea. Primary amenorrhea, the absence of Mercansin menstruation until the age of 70 years, with obvious menstruation without secondary sexual development. Recurrent genital cancer. Genital cancer in women can occur in vagina, cervix, and ovaries vagina. Cancer has no cause possible due to immersion caused by virus G. Endometriosis. Endometriosis is a condition in which endometrial tissue is found on outside the uterus, which can grow around the ovaries, oviducts, and pathways outside an uterus. Symptoms include implant pain, back pain, and pain during menstruation. Vaginal infections. Symptoms include vaginal discharge and itching. This is an environment of reproductive organ replacement to waste in marriage the reason during sexual intercourse. Number 2. Disorders of the male reproductive system. Disorders then occur in the male reproductive organs. Organs will cause problems with sperm. These disorders cause a man to be infertile and even infertile. The sperm disorders usually cause in number 1, sperm production. Number 2, the step and the sperm. Number 3, sperm functions. Number 1, sperm function, sperm transport. A. Conspiration. One under treason can say his tritis. B. Hypocypidis. Sperm or urine outly in males below, usually when watering and follow in heaven. C. which do not have plate, double sex organ male and female bite. No perfect vagina is not perfect, does not have whole vagina. D. For example, were not of have vagina, micropens small, intercells penis, hyponics days, in dreams insulation faction, in by impairment hormone intestation, thus endogen and estrogen hormones. Disorders cause infertility, impotence, and the absence of male searching cats hiding can be started with home therapy. F. Cryptorchidism. It is the failure of one or both testes and discharge from the abdomen cavity. In the scrotum in infants, handling can be done by giving human chorionic gonadotropin on stimulates testosterone, uteritis, inflammation of the utera with symptom of itching of the penis, and region urination. The cause in Clementines Uraplasma urolithicum or the herpes virus prostatitis. It is inflammation of the prostate. The cause in infection called with bacteria or bacteria. Epididymitis. It is common infection of the male reproductive tract. The cause E. coli and Sliders. Thank you. Sekian presentasi mengenai keluarga berencana dan gangguan reproduksi alat reproduksi pada wanita maupun laki-laki yang saya tampilkan tadi. Semoga pada video kali ini dapat bermanfaat untuk kita semua.